have been given a gallery link. When you click on the gallery link, a gallery will open like this. This gallery is about National Unity Day. You can have any theme on the gallery, and it says Celebrate National Unity Day. We'll explore three options. The first option is add text. Here, as a student, you can just write down Unity in diversity, or you can have your own quotation or any particular paragraph that you would like to add, and just click on add to gallery. You'll see that your submission has come up here. Okay, second option is generate image. I'm just writing Unity here. I'll just click on generate and let's see what are the options that come. So some GenAI image will be created, which you can add to the gallery again. So as a teacher or a student, you can use any option to upload your stuff on the gallery, which your teachers or anyone who has assigned to you. You can be creative and your name will also populate accordingly. So I'm just using this picture and I'll just add to the gallery. You'll see that the gallery has been added. So this picture has also come up and the students and the teacher's name will going to pop up. Similarly, the third option is add files. If there is something which is there in your computer, you can browse it, or you can just click on your stuff. If you have created anything within Adobe Express previously, for example, this is a pledge that has been signed, just click on it and that particular pledge also gets added. So looking forward for all these projects from all the teachers and students in the gallery that we have shared with all of you. Thank you.